Here's how to add music to an Instagram post after you've already posted it. First, you need to go ahead and launch your Instagram application and log into your specific account. Tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen to go to your profile. Now find the post where you want to add a music to. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner of that post. And here select edit. Now in the top, you'll get four different options of add collaborators, the location, add audio, and add AI label. Go ahead and select add audio option. Now you'll get three different sections of for you, trending, and saved. You can also use the search bar in the top to search for a specific music or artist that you want to use. Or you can go ahead and select any music that you want to and use a slider to select the portion of the song that you want to play. Select the tick icon in the top of the screen and again the tick icon, and that specific song will be added to that post. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.